Hey everybody, welcome back. Another episode of Mobile Detailing Edmonton. If it's your first time joining us, welcome. Thank you for watching. If you like what you have to see today, hit the subscribe button. The more subscribers we get, the more films we can make, the more episodes we can do. Anyway, today I want to talk to you about a product from Japan. It's called KTC. The company that sells it, Kamikaze. It is an awesome tool. Here's the little guy. I don't know how the hell I've detailed for all these years and have never had one of these. I've been like the master of tape balls and putting a tape ball in the door and then taping the door closed with the pressure so that way I get this little edge. But I'm gonna show you what these bad boys do. Check it out. Pull the pin, you can extend it out. Okay, so as detailers we know that when you're going to polish from this structure to this structure, you either want to tape it off, but the problem with that is you're going to get gum residue on your polishing pad and it's going to recirculate over to here and just cause more problems, right? So what we've always done in the past is make a gap like this. And how we've usually done that gap, or I've usually done that gap, is coming over here, grabbing the old trusty ball of tape, putting a giant ball in, opening the door, and putting it in. Well, Kamikaze has released this product. It locks into the door there, and it locks into the door there. Now, check this part out. Sorry about the noise of the fan in the background, but anyway, here's the point. See how I'm doing this? The only thing we're rubbing up against is that piece of kit right there, and the locking mechanism here. And whenever I push in, it pushes in and doesn't hit an ounce of paint. It stays all on the hardware. It's not gonna scratch the hardware, as long as you're not a caveman about it. And then over here, I get that separation that I want, that edge that I need. So that way when I polish, and I've got my polishing machine and I'm going from here over, as long as I'm not a complete retard and go way over, I'm not gonna hit this door. By the way, pretty much refined. Gonna have to do a little bit more work. Oh, there's a nice light suck for you. Got a little bit more work to do, but not looking terrible. Anyway, I'm gonna show you a couple of the benefits, a couple of the things that I like about the tool, and yeah. If you'd like it, let me know in the comments below. I'm trying to find more things that aren't out on YouTube, that aren't out for the public to see, that actually are beneficial to us as detailers, to us as normal people. Oh, and for all you car show junkies, this is awesome. That little one, put it up on your hood, prop it up a little bit, locks it in place. If they don't know about the tool, they won't figure out how to open your hood up. Or you Corvette guys on your trunks. Very nice for car shows. All right, cool, so let's show you how to hook it up. First thing you're gonna do is figure out which end's what. This end with no hook, this goes to your door handle section. This side has a clip. This part goes on the door mechanism itself, the actual hardware. So, first off, open the door. Second, push it in until it locks. Then we're gonna swing this around. Woo! Bring you guys over here with me. Okay. And then just slide this forward, push it down. I'm doing this one-handed, by the way. That's it. It's done. Okay, so let's say you're in a tight situation. You have a lot of room on that side. Well, not a lot, but it's even. On this side though, you got cabinets. Can't open your doors all the way. So that little KTC, show you where it will actually come in to help. See how it's just sitting in there chilling? It gave me the space that I need to be able to do my job, to polish it out without burning that edge. But it didn't make me use the large one, because the large one would have put me through my door, which is not where I want to be. So it's nice to have the little one as well as a set, because then you can have all your different situations. And again, exact same setup with this one. Little bitty guy, won't hurt anything. Its whole purpose in life is just to make sure that you don't burn your edges and that you have safe, reliable separation. Celebration of the tool, using Kamikaze products on this one. This one's called Ichiban Finish. Using their finishing pad. Does actually a really awesome job. Like it a lot. Don't need much. I want to say thank you again for watching. I hope you enjoyed the show today. If you did, hit the like button. You want to see more videos? Hit that subscribe on whichever side it's on. I don't know. I'm still getting good at this editing thing. Anyway, today's product, the KTC AP902B and A. And again, just in case we didn't review it last time, it extends out. It's got a lot of different sections, a lot of different variances that you can go. So say you want to do a hood and you want to do it high to show it off at like a car show, or you're polishing and you only have so much room, you want to go with the little bitty guy. If you're polishing and you've got enough room to do the short, and then vary it out. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video today. We'll see you next time. Hope you guys are having a great day.